Come on in, welcome to my home. If you have been an eagle-eyed person on the laundry videos, which we're not doing right now, you might have noticed that I switched laundry detergents. Originally, I made my own laundry detergent, which was good, it was great, but it made a lot of laundry detergent, and I mean a lot of laundry detergent. And I did want to try out some other laundry detergents because that's the big thing about this channel. If you have something that you want me to try, let me know you want me to try it, but that also is one of those things where that's why we have things like Patreon and memberships and the applause button, so that way I can take the money and try out these things versus having somebody write to me or a company say, hey, we want you to try out our product, give us a good positive review. I don't like doing that. All the reviews that I've done before that have been sponsored reviews or reviews given to me, or product given to me, I've given them my honest opinion, but I just feel better doing this with my own money. I bought it with my own money, and so yeah, that's why I have Patreon and those things. But let's talk about the Drops laundry detergent. Alright. The Drops laundry detergent is not necessarily the cheapest laundry detergent on the face of this planet. It's not. I'm not going to lie to you. Is it a better laundry detergent than what I was using? Yes, actually, it really is. I have been loving the Drops laundry detergent, and I'm not going to go heavily into the green aspect of it because it does come in recyclable containers. It does do things for help the environment. I think it is, they're trying to become a carbon neutral, if they aren't already carbon neutral, company, because that's not what this channel is about. This channel is trying to make your life easier in a sustainable way. So let's talk about what this stuff actually does. I started using this and I was skeptical because I was like, oh, I don't think this is going to actually work. They have little pods and you drop them into your washer, or you drop them into your washer before you put in your clothes. Then you put in your clothes, run it through the washer, run it through the dryer, and guess what? Instantly I could see the difference. I really see the difference in the cleaning ability of this. They are amazing. It comes out really nice. I use the Oxy Booster, and you can see all that in the laundry videos. I use the Oxy Booster. I use the fabric softener when it comes to my sheets. I don't usually soften like my everyday clothes because, well, I don't really notice it that much on my everyday clothes. But on the sheets and everything, I do notice it. Now, to be fair, instead of being all glowy and gushy with all of these things, I will tell you, I did buy the lavender scented fabric softener, and I hated it. Like, hated it immensely. What I found was the fact that when I used it, when it came out of the washer, it smelled purple. And you're saying, what does that smell like? It's like that, you know, that fake grape sort of smell, but it smells purple and not grape. It smelled purple. Then when I put it through the dryer, it still had a faint smell, but it still smelled purple. It did not, in any way, shape, nor form, did it smell like lavender. I would never recommend this. Like, never, ever recommend this. The laundry stuff, I will recommend. The laundry detergent, the stain remover, and the fabric softener unscented, I recommend those. My mom, who's been doing laundry since, well, forever, she thought that they were amazing. In fact, we just did a whole nother order, and we're sold. We are 100% sold on this stuff because it does work so well. It is one pod, that's it, you are going. One pod for laundry detergent, one pod for fabric softener, one pod for the Oxy Boost. You can get this on a subscription service or you can get it as a one-time buy. The subscription service does have a discount for that. Now what I will tell you is I have included the link which then gives you, I do believe it is a percentage off or a discount code, which also gives me some money to buy other products with this. So it does help me, it does help the channel, but this is something I can honestly say I really do love it. It's all there, it's useful, it really does work. The things which were dirty came out much, much cleaner, like noticeably cleaner. And I can say this without ever having to worry about this. This is literally something I bought. There was no sponsor. They didn't give me the product. They didn't tell me to talk about this. But I can tell you that the Drops detergent works wonderfully. And you're saying, well, why don't you get more into the, the green aspect of it? Well, simply because a lot of people who watch this channel might not be into the green aspect of this, and I love to bring you products that are like, this is a really good product. It does have green aspects to it. It does have things where it's helping the environment, but that shouldn't be the first thing that you think of. It should be the first thing you think of is going to be, can I afford this? Can this be something that I can actually afford? And then you can go with, what is it doing? Because one of the things I have a big problem with the whole buy green, buy all of that stuff is the fact that that's great, but if I as a normal person cannot afford it, I can't afford it. This I can afford. This I thought was really worth the money. It does such a good job. And so yeah, I'm recommending this. My link is down below there. Let me know if you've tried it, if you liked it. Now the one thing I will tell you is it does seem like it takes a little bit longer to get it through the mail, and that could just be what's going on with the mail right now. But other than that, yeah, I think you're going to love this. Let me know down in the comments if you liked it, if you loved it, if you tried it, if you want to try it. I would love to hear about that. And I hope I get to see you the next time you stop by.